Hello everyone. The first question today. A father has 3 sons. The first visits his father every 2 days, and the second visits his father every 3 days. The third visits his father every 5 days. In 60 days, how many times they will visit his father in the same day? That means I want the least common multiple. LCM. That's meaning the first number has the 3 factors 2, 3, and 5. We have 2, 3, and 5. And the 3 numbers are prime number. So I have to multiply it, only multiply, because the 3 numbers are prime. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 5 equals to 30. So in 60 days, they will visit his father 2 times. Together, 2 times only. The correct answer is A. Because 2, 3, and 5, the first time, the least number that has 2, 3, and 5 as a factor is 30. But we ask about 60 days. How many 30 in 60 days? We have 2 thirds. So the correct answer is 2. The next one. A cutter takes 30 minutes to divide a piece of wood into 6 pieces. We have piece of wood, and we want to divide it in 6 pieces. So I have the 6 pieces of wood, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many cuts? This is the first cut. This is the second one. This is the third one, fourth one, fifth one. How many cuts we do? The cutter did. The cutter makes 5 cuts in 30 minutes. So each cut take 6 minutes per cut. Now, how many minutes he will take to divide it into 7 parts? I have the same piece of wood, but I want to divide it in 7 pieces, not 6. 5, 6, 7. This is correct. This is incorrect. We have to remove this part. Now, how many cuts we do? This is the first cut, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 6 cuts. Each cut take 6 minutes. So I have to multiply 6 times 6. It's equal 36 minutes. I will take 36 minutes. This is the correct answer. Okay? The next one. If x is a positive even number, y is a positive odd number, which of the following is an even number? X is a positive number, just like positive even number, like 2. Y is a positive odd number, like 3. This is x and this is y. xy gonna to be what? 2 times 3, 6. This is even number. This is the correct answer. If you take this one, 2 minus 3, it equals -1. Forget the negative, this is not right. X plus y, 2 plus 3, it equals 5. 5 odd number, not even. X power 2, it's 2 power 2. Plus 3 power 2, 3 power 2. 2 power 2, 4. 4 plus 9, it's equals 13. This is odd number. Only the even number if we multiply x times y. And always the product of any 2 even number, any 2 prime number is prime. any two, one even and the other is prime, the product have to be even. Okay? This question now. What is the number if it divided by 3, 4, and 5? The remainder would be 2. What is the number if we divided by 3, 4, and 5? Three numbers. I looking for a number has 3, 4, 5 as a factors. LCM. First, LCM. The least common multiple. The least number that has 3, 4, 5 as a factor. So I have to multiply 3 times 4 times 5. But 4 not prime. Yes, the factors of 4 is 2 and 2. It is not repeated here. It is not repeated here. So we didn't have any common factor between the three numbers. So I have to multiply. 3 times 4 equals 12 times 5 equals to 60. But I ask the remainder have to be 2. So I looking for the number 62. We have 62 here? No, we don't have. So what I have to do? Double 60. It's going to be what? 120. But I have to add 2. The remainder have to be 2. This is 122. We have 122. Yes. D is the winner. D is the correct answer. It's 122. Okay? If the mean of the value 3, 8, 12 and x is 20, what is the value of x? He tell me that the mean is 20. That means if we had mean, what the mean? Mean or the average is equals to the sum of numbers over the number of values. Sum of values over number of values. That's meaning if we add 3 plus 8 plus 12 plus x over how many value we have? We have 4 divided by 4. It's going to be 20. That's meaning the sum of all numbers of all this number have to be 80. So divided 80 divided by 4 equals to 20. So if we add the 4 values have to be 80. We have here 3 plus 8, 11 plus 12. It's 23. 23 plus what? Plus x have to be 80. 23 plus x have to be 80. Just I will subtract negative 23, x equals 57. If we subtract 80 minus 23, it's going to be 57. The winner is B. Is the correct answer. 557. Okay? The next one. Compare. A is a juice amount which fills a bottle. B is 750 milliliters. So now I have to find the volume, the capacity of this one. The capacity meaning the volume of this one. So the volume or A equals, what is the volume of cylinder? The volume of any shape is base area times height. This is the volume. What is the base? The base is the shape of a circle. This one is a circle. This is the base or the down. So I have to take by r power 2 because the area of the circle is equals by r power 2 times the height. This is the volume. By, it's equal 22 over 7 times r power 2. R equals what? Focus on this one. R is not 10. R is 5 only. 10 is the diameter. From here to here is the diameter. But the radius equals 5. So it will be 5 power 2, it's 25. Times the height. What the height? It's 20. It's 10, I'm sorry. So times 10. So it's going to be 202 over 7 times 250. We know that 22 over 7 is equal to 3.14. And without multiply, 3 times 250 equals 750. Then I will add 0.14 times 250. So this one is greater than 750. Is greater than 7, because 750, it's only 3 times 250. But this number is 3.14 times 250. Okay? So A is the greater and A is the winner. Okay? In this one, you have to remember Pythagoras. In this one, right-angled triangle in this case, and this is isosceles. The two sides are equal. That's meaning this one have to be 45 and this one is 45. In our basics we explain, if we have this is right and this is 45 and this is 45 and the side is x, the hypotenuse will be x root 2. This is x and this is x, this have to be x root 2. So this one 2 root 2, it's meaning the side times root 2. So the side lengths here have to be 2. Just we explained, if we want the side lengths, the side of right angle, it's equal hypotenuse divided by root 2. And if you want the hypotenuse, it will be root 2 times the side of right angle. Okay? I want to find the side now, so I have to divide the hypotenuse by root 2. It's going to be 2. This is 2 and this is 2. That's meaning AB is 2 and this is the correct one. But AB not equals to AC. BC not equals to AC. BC not equals to root 2. The correct one is AB is equals to. Okay? From the opposite pie chart, find value of x. We know here at 30 and this is 1x, but this is the half of a circle or semicircle. This is semicircle, so it have to be 50% if we're looking about the percent. But if you focus here, this is degree. We ask about the measure of the angle that represent x. This one I know it's 20%, but I looking for the angle. 20% represent what of the circle? 20% times all the circle is 360. So I have to multiply 20% times 360. It's 20 over 100 times 360. I will cancel out the 2 zeros with the 2 zeros up and down. And 2 times 36, it equals 72 degrees. 72 degrees. The correct answer is D, 72 degree. Find the value of 999 to the power of 2 minus 1. It's a very easy question. This is a difference between two squares. We started x power 2 minus y power 2. We can write it as two factors. X minus y, x plus y. It is like this one. It is 999 power 2 minus 1. We can put power 2. 1 power 2 is equals to 1. So I have two brackets. 999 minus 1, 999 plus 1. This is equals 998 times 1000. It's equal 998 thousandths. And this is the correct answer. D is the winner. Just if you know the type of the question, any question in this 4 power 2 and power 2, we can factorize like this one and quickly. Okay? Thank you. Don't forget subscribe, share and like. Thank you and goodbye.